Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make 4 pluses on the Rubik's Cube. So first I want to show you this Rubik's Cube. It is totally solved. Okay, now let's get into the making part. So this is how to make it. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Now you made the 4 pluses. Plus, 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 plus. Now, to solve it, do the exact same steps. So, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Thanks for watching. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video. Bye. I'll see you in another video.